Hi guys, today we are going to unbox BATA Whiteman black formal shoes which I recently purchased from Amazon.in, and just take a look around it. This is how they look from the box. The shine attracts it. You can see the pattern of the shoe is makes it different from other shoes. I like very much that pattern, and the flatness of the shoe is very official, you can say. I purchased this in 1874 rupees and the actual price is 2499. Now take a look at the weight of the shoe. The weight of the shoe is 650 grams and they are pretty much lightweight to wear in office whole day. Yeah. While office you are going, this is how they look with formal pants. The flatness, I like that flatness. Yeah, and you can see them walking on the road. This is how they look. Thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe.